unload the trailer. Alright, so we got a full system change out today. Taking this old boy out, but first thing we just gotta turn off the gas, turn off the power, and reclaim all the refrigerant in the line. So let's go outside. Alright, this is the old condenser unit. It's my first time seeing this thing. Damn, it's old. Look at that line set coming out the ground. Never seen that before. But we're putting that big boy in. Let's go. You gotta shut up. There's power. You're right. Got my reclaimer set up. Got the tank. Got the scale, see how much pounds we get. Got the gauges hooked up to it. There we go. All the way out with the negatives. Just gonna shut this off. Okay. Alright. And then we reclaimed 2 pounds and 14 ounces. We're done here. Just need to unhook now, and we'll go back in. Got the unit removed. There's the line set out of the ground. Old one and the new one. Now let's go back inside. inside in. Got our line set soldered in. Now we're gonna go outside and solder in the condenser, and then we'll be back in. Right. Look at that. Gonna tie that in. Going in for a dryer. Hey, big boy! Oh! How's it? How's it? How's it? I see the hole. Dang, it's just like your hole, huh? You got anything to say?
That is kind of a little big at mine.
Oh, I thought it was bigger. Yours is bigger.
One, I don't know.
Alright, we got it fitted in. Now we're gonna solder it. Alright, we're all done here. System is all charged, or it's all vacuum charged and all hooked up. It's ready. Done for the day.